Objective: to study about nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleus: a darkly coloured, spherical or oval, dot-like structure near the centre of each cell is called nucleus. The nucleus has a double-layered covering called nuclear membrane. It is also called nuclear envelope. The nuclear membrane has pores which allow the transfer of material from inside the nucleus to its outside, that is, to the cytoplasm. The nucleus contains chromosomes, which are visible as rod-shaped structures only when the cell is about to divide. Chromosomes contain information for inheritance of characters from parents to the next generation in the form of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid molecules. Chromosomes are composed of DNA and protein. DNA molecules contain the information necessary for constructing and organizing cells. Functional segments of DNA are called genes. In a cell which is not dividing, this DNA is present as part of chromatin material. Chromatin material is visible as entangled mass of thread-like structures. Whenever the cell is about to divide, the chromatin material gets organized into chromosomes. The nucleus plays a central role in cellular reproduction. Cellular reproduction is the process by which a single cell divides and forms two new cells. It also plays a crucial part, along with the environment, in determining the way the cell will develop and what form it will exhibit at maturity by directing the chemical activities of the cell. In some organisms like bacteria, the nuclear region of the cell may be poorly defined due to the absence of a nuclear membrane. Such an undefined nuclear region containing only nucleic acids is called a nucleoid. Such organisms, whose cells lack a nuclear membrane, are called prokaryotes. Pro is equal to primitive or primary. Karyot, or karyon, is equal to nucleus. They don't have membrane-bound cell organelles. Such cells have a single chromosome. Prokaryotic cells also lack most of the other cytoplasmic organelles present in eukaryotic cells. Many of the functions of such organelles are also performed by poorly organized parts of the cytoplasm. The chlorophyll in photosynthetic prokaryotic bacteria is associated with membranous vesicles, bag-like structures, but not with plastids, as in eukaryotic cells. Organisms with cells having a nuclear membrane are called eukaryotes. They contain nucleolus and membrane-bound organelles in their cytoplasm. They have more than one chromosomes. When we observe the cells of onion peel and the cheek cells, we can identify the difference in the location of nucleus present in them. In cheek cell, a nucleus is present in the center, whereas in onion peel cells, a prominent vacuole is present in the center of each cell. The cytoplasm is peripheral, with the nucleus in it. The cytoplasm is the fluid content inside the plasma membrane. It is about 80% water and usually colorless. It also contains many specialized cell organelles such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, and plastids. Each of these organelles is enclosed by membranes and performs a specific function for the cell. Viruses lack any membranes and hence do not show characteristics of life until they enter a living body and use its cell machinery to multiply.